I want to show you what we got here. We got Canon PIXMA TR4551. This is white color. I want to show you at the back here. This printer, you connect it at the back. Okay, the on and off button is over here. Okay, the power cable is at the back here. I want to show you, this is USB cable to connect this printer to your PC. You can connect this printer via wireless, but also you can use USB cable. I'm afraid it doesn't come with a USB cable, so I got one at home, but you need a USB cable. If in case you haven't got smart mobile device, the USB cable goes over here. It's universal, can go to Canon, also can go to HP. Okay, right now take this off. This printer, you can also connect this printer to, you can use it as a fax. I want to show you how to connect this ink cartridges for this printer. Okay, if you look over here, the instruction is telling us, okay, install ink cartridges, open the cover. So we're going to open the cover. Okay, once this is where to open, to install the cartridges, you need to open this cover. Okay, once you open this cover, the next thing to do is also to open this cover. The cartridges holder will come in middle, load the cartridges. So this printer is using CL546, okay, for color, and PG545 for black. Okay, so we're going to load this, open this up, right? So earlier, open this up. Now, if you look over here, I want you to come a bit closer. If you see, this is color black. You follow the same arrow. Okay, so this is color. So the color goes in straight away. The black goes in straight. So you follow the arrow, okay, and make sure follow the arrow and go in straight to color. Follow the black, okay, spot, and go in straight to black. So obviously black is on the right, the color is on the left. Okay, so this is color coded for you to load the cartridges. Is what we're going to do right now. Okay, so we're going to load the cartridges. First of all, I want us to go with the color. Okay, so you take these cartridges straight in and make sure you push it up. Okay, make sure you push it up. If you put to take it off, okay, it's off. You hear a click sound. This is to show you the cartridges is in. The next thing to do, you do the same thing to the black. Okay, so we'll take the black color straight in and push it up. Once you hear a click sound, you know that this is in. Okay, so you push it, make sure you push it up, pull it down and take it off. So go in straight in and pull this up. Okay, you can see up and down, up and down. So once it's done, you take this off. Okay, this is how to take it off. To push this, put this back on, you need to push it in. Okay, push it in. Okay, can do this with one finger. So once you close this right now, you can see these cartridges, but also you can also see, use your hand and trying to shake it. Don't shake it too much, just use your hand to see a bit of movement, to see whether it's inside, the cartridge is inside or not. As you can see, the cartridge is inside, it's not moving, it's not falling off. Okay, so you can see it's inside. Okay, right now what we need to do is close this up, and once you close this, now it will recognize this and it will tell you, allow the printer to set. Okay, once it's finished, it will tell you the cartridge is installed correctly.